peeps? We are actually doing a little side video, a little short video today. We're here for Food and Wine Festival. So we're gonna actually link that at the end of this video because you definitely wanna check out our food and wine experience. But while we're here, I decided to come here next to the Black Forest picnic area and on the side of the Fest House to talk a little bit more about what's rumored to be coming back to this area. Now, we did a video a little while back. I'll put a picture of the thumbnail right here, so definitely check that video out. Talked that Big Bad Wolf, a resurgence or, reborn or whatever of the Big Bad Wolf is rumored to be coming back here. I don't know if it's going to be Big Bad Wolf theme. That's just the rumor. But there will definitely be some type of roller coaster back here. Now, came back here to do a little bit of IOM Geek speculation with you. Because in Busch Gardens Tampa, they are currently constructing Phoenix Rising, which is a new roller coaster, family coaster out there. It is a hanging roller coaster. And based on some of the preview video that Busch Gardens has officially released that you're probably watching right now, it's very close to the ground, not a big footprint, family-friendly roller coaster. And I talk about that roller coaster just to say that it is built by coaster manufacturer B&M, who is rumored to also be constructing the roller coaster back here. It's close to the ground and has a small footprint, much like the roller coaster that's rumored to be coming back here. And so I'm just kind of speculating that Phoenix Rising out of Busch Gardens Tampa, much like Griffin, and they have an equivalent roller coaster to what we have Griffin, and they have a Sheikra, I think is kind of the same roller coaster out in Tampa. I think Phoenix Rising, maybe, I could be wrong, and I probably am, that's why it's speculation, may be similar to what we see them build back here in the Black Forest. Now, we have seen some pictures of what B&M is constructing. I'm gonna put the pictures right here. I think Kate, King's Dominion Fanatics, is actually who was able to get their hands on the photos. You can see the red track. Again, I've already mentioned this is supposed to be like a hanging roller coaster, just like the original Big Bad Wolf. The red track, also indicative of the Big Bad Wolf. So I'm hopeful that they're actually going to get a Big Bad Wolf coaster back here. Obviously very different than the original, but it would be cool to see that theme return in time for Busch Gardens' 50th anniversary next year. So now I'm opening it up to you. Speculate with me. What do you think is coming back here? We know, well, not officially, but we do think it's going to be a roller coaster. We hope, speculate, it's going to be Big Bad Wolf themed. But do you think it's going to be like Phoenix Rising, or do you think it's going to be something else? Leave us a comment down below. Let us know your thoughts about what you think may be coming back here to the Black Forest near Fest House. And while you're down there leaving a comment, give us a thumbs up on this video. It lets us know that you like these types of speculation videos, and we like doing them for you. We like kind of sharing our ideas with you. Also, hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell so that you're notified when we release more content about what's coming up to Busch Gardens Williamsburg. And thank you all for watching. We'll see you next time.